We're doing another loot crate unboxing, as you can see. Loot crate unboxing. I just got this today, so yeah, let's go and look inside. So as you can see inside, there's a bunch of stuff. I have no light, so it might be a bit dark. Oh well. Right, so first thing. Okay. We got this. I don't know what it is. Sword, this thing. It's not working. Oh! I need to cut it. Alright, let's see what this is. Cool. I think it's how they designed Pac-Man. I don't have a clue at all. It's too dark, but yeah, there's that. Which is pretty cool. Place that back in there. Right, then we've got a hex bug. How do we... It's got any sellotape on here, it has. Do the diamond sword. Do this thing. This is not gonna work after all. Yeah, do that. So we've got a hex bug. Some reason. Right. Hex bug. It's the ant hex bug. That's actually pretty cool. I've got to say that is epic. Oh, it comes with batteries. Children, batteries are included. Right, so now we've got to friggin' sort this out. Twisty, 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 twist. Oh. And there we go, we have a hex bug. Oh, it has batteries already in it too. How does it turn on? Oh, there we go. Flipping hell! Okay. That's fast. That is very fast. Fast the wheels go. That is mental. I think we designed this one backwards. It goes backwards. That one goes backwards, which is not a good sign. This is not actually heavy, I'm just pretending to do train noises. What you... this... Open up and see what's in the black bag. Chink. Rock, paper, scissors, dice. Like, I choose scissors. I choose rock. Rock wins. So yeah, cool. We of course have the Loot Crate February 2015 badge. If you can actually see that. It says on it Loot Crate February 2015 play. Next thing. Ready Player One. What? In the year 2044, reality is an ugly place. Okay. It's a book about future and video games. That's cool. Cool. We've got the Money World vinyl. Create your own vinyl kind of thing. Let's get this out and see what it happens when we try and create something. To try and create a guy who can be our team, our thingy mascot, our mascot of the channel. This is the base of the mascot of the channel, everyone. Remember this face. let's try and do something to it. So the colours we have got are, if you can get them out, black, red, and blue. Right, let's try and do something here. These colours are hard to get open. I don't actually know what I'm doing here. I'm trying to draw like a glove on him. It's gonna take a while. Well, I'll tell you when the mascot's done. It's gonna take a while. Let's place him there. Let's put the lid on the pens. Place him there. Next thing. Shoo. Super Fight Loot Crate Special Card Deck. Okay. Let's open and see what's inside. It comes with, this is an 100 card version of the viral card game Super Fight. Designed exclusively for Loot Crate by Skybound, these cards are only available in this exclusive deck. Create hilarious fighters with these cards, then argue over who would win in a fight between them. Cool. That sounds pretty beast. Right. Right, so the rules are Super Fight rules. Separate the white backed cards that are the characters. White backed, yeah. And the black backed cards that are the attributes. Player 1 starts by drawing 3 white cards and 3 black cards. You can look at them, but don't let anyone else see them. Player 2, the next player to the left does the same. Each player chooses 1 white card and black card from the hands to create a fighter and places those cards face down. They then discard their remaining cards into 2 separate piles, one for character, one for attributes. Next, both players to the... That's complicated, but it sounds beast. I'll probably play that in a video, even though I won't know how to play it properly. Won't go in. Right, so that's the Super Fight. I'm going to check the next thing, because it might be a code, and I'm not giving away a code, sadly, yet. Let's check firstly. Yeah, there's 1 code. There's rules of a game. Oh no, we have the manual. Let's check the manual. Oh, it's got like something on the back what you can do. Wait a second. Look at that. That's so cool. The like shades. Oh, they're like the pixelated shades that we got from the last loot crate that I forgot to do a video on. Well, let's have a look through. What did we get today then? Shall we play a game? Ha! Let's play together. Why co-op games are good for you by Candice. That's massive. That's too long. Oh, the Mega Crate! That's so jammy! Oh, it's so unfair. How much is it like altogether? $2,000 plus, even though I live in the UK. So you get DJI Phantom Vision 2 Vision Quadrocopter. Just look at that. That's just unbeatable. Can you actually see any of that? You probably can't, but you know what? It looks so cool. The Oculus Rift. Oh, look, it tells you like the first ever controllers in the entire world. It started with the Atari 2600. What? What? And they want to make a Steam controller. That would be beast. Steam controller would be epic. I can play Steam with it. Like the vinyls, I don't know how to say them. Oh well. That's sick though, you can't really say that's not sick. And that's it. Oh, that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna have to end the video here. Make sure you punch that. No, I'm going to copyright. Make sure you hit that like button and maybe subscribe if you would like to. Up to you, and bye.